Welcome. This is Nidhi. I will be your video tour guide to the Sibley Volcanic Regional Preserve, featuring the Round Top Volcano. Enjoy the tour. This road cut exposes Orinda Formation, river gravels, sand and mudstones, and the landslide was caused due to wind and water erosion. The red, when moist, streaks and layers in these riverbeds were caused by oxidization of iron in the sediments. Such varied color red beds sometimes contain plants and animal fossils. This is a wall of basalt and mudstones. The belling in the mudstones gives the appearance of drag folding resulting from the uplift of lava during the past 10 million years. The disruption of the mudstones may have occurred earlier at the same time as the volcanic activity. This site was so close to the wall of volcano and was subject to slumping, sliding and plowing. This used to be a quarry pit, and massive basalt was removed from the quarry pit for roads and other construction purposes, and this caused the wall of thick lava flows to tilt on the edge and become nearly vertical. The well-defined layers near the top of the face are jointing units resulting from shrinkage caused by cooling. Although one of the mazes was built by Helena Mazzarillo in 1989, no one knows for sure who built the rest of the mazes. There are at least four other mazes, one for each direction. Some locals give credit to the witches and warlocks for the mazes, and others have reported seeing people dressed strangely and chanting near the mazes. This is a massive and rubbly basalt flow. The lower parts came into contact with cold land surfaces and hardened early and were jumbled by turbulence and drag. There is a fault cut from the lower left to the upper right in the massive basalt. The rubbery parts of the flow is filled with vesicles caused by gas pockets, which were later filled with chalcedony, opal, calcite, zeolites, and sometimes green celadonite. The thin parallel bands in the soft tuff suggest the ash fell into water because bedding in the ash that falls on dry land is usually disrupted by tree roots. This huge reddish-brown block of lava fell from the cliffs to the upper right. The lava cooled and hardened while it was still moving, resulting in dramatic fragmentation known as autobrecciation. Autobrecciation means self-broken. There's hard lava to the right and left, and soft, easily eroded tuff in between, all tilted eastward almost to a vertical stand. The lava to the left baked the top of the tuffs brick red. This lava looks as if it's 100 to 150 feet thick. These flows were not fluid but contained enough silica to be more viscous. They probably moved at a slow walk with glowing blocks of lava tumbling down a steep front and setting vegetation on fire. The brick red knobs in the foreground and the rugged outcrops of the same color on the skyline are made of cinder that flew from Round Top and landed while still hot, so the pieces welded together. The major valley to the north across Highway 24 is Siesta Valley. It coincides with the axis of the Siesta Syncline, a great fold that has lifted up thousands of feet of rock on both sides. This is the southwest limb of the fold, which includes all the rocks in Sibley. Thank you for watching. Hope you found the video informative and interesting. I encourage you to visit Sibley Volcanic Regional Preserve and enjoy the hike as much as I did.